Right, so here's the other two Glover Works locomotives here, as well as most of the machinery that they would have used in the plant to make the parts and build the engines. This one here is an 040 that they've saddle tank that they've dismantled to show what it would look like as far as building one and putting one together. And then there's the saddle tank that they actually recovered from the plant that had been stored there. You can see the frame there and the running gear. So there's a lathe machine there. I found the story about this one interesting. The fact that St. Jellicoe Coal Company, or Splint Jellicoe Coal Company, yeah. And there it is in the plant in 1995. That's amazing though that it had been left there. That really is amazing. Got a picture of the information so you guys could see or read about the engine, but as you can see they've restored it here to where it's now immaculate. Don't know if it would ever run again, but it probably could if given the time and if it was given enough of a rebuild. So yeah. Here it is from the other side. There we go. So yeah, these are the other two Glover survivors. The other one is in Marietta on display outside, so yeah. You can see all the parts from the rods to the brake shoes. And all of these are parts that they found in the plant that they've basically were donated. So, yeah. Yeah, so that locomotive's been on display since 2003, so that is amazing. And it's amazing that it's sat unused for nearly 70 years. Most plants, if they had equipment like this returned to them, would cut them up. So the fact that sucker survived is just a miracle. Sorry. Here's again the machinery they would have used to build all these parts and put them together. And as you can see, it's all belt driven. They would have probably had a steam engine that would have run all this. My glasses are fogging up due to this dang mask. Yeah, I'm having to wear a mask in here. Sorry, y'all. Alright. And then on the other side, there's other equipment, but here's a model of the plant, like the entire complex. That's all gone now. They came in and tore it down. Which makes sense. And there's the shops as they appeared in 1995, so all of that's gone. They ended up, yeah. Oh, there was 3 locomotives in the grounds, so that's amazing. Who knew? So I thought there was only 2, but no, there's 3. There was 3 that they were able to get out, which is amazing. So everything, they got out as much as they could regarding the, and as much as, well, they got out as many of the locomotives as they, and equipment and all to make them. So we'll see y'all.